Hello everyone, so today we're gonna learn together how to send an asset. Let's first start by clicking in Tools, Digital Assets, and then Send an Asset. We have to choose our blockchain, and here we have to make the choice. Either we're choosing the testing one, or if you're working with real coins. For the testing one is sandbox, for the real coins it's main public. Let's just test today. Here we have to paste our sender wallet. This is our wallet. Our receiver wallet is here. The amount we're willing to send, 10. And the transaction memo. Gift for Lisa. The last thing to paste is the private key. And we just have to sign the transaction. But there is also another way to do it, with this QR code that you will have to scan with your mobile app, and then paste the signature here. We're just gonna submit our transaction. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them, and we will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.